All right, welcome back everyone. Let's go ahead and get ready for our max effort climbing cardio workout. We're gonna be pushing ourselves a little bit harder today, but we're only doing climbing movements. So what that means is we're gonna be in a seated climb for a few of our intervals, and we're gonna be in an off the saddle climb for a few of our intervals as well. So follow me if you need to perform a different type of movement. If you're not comfortable off the saddle, you can stay seated the whole time if you like. We're just gonna go ahead and start by warming up our body a little bit in a comfortable position. So choose a hand grip position you're most comfortable with. We're just gonna do a casual minute, just getting our legs ready, focusing on maintaining a good postural position before we start warming up our bodies in the climbing position. So we're gonna do about 30 more seconds. Just keep your legs moving, and then we're gonna go into our off the saddle climb for 1 minute. Don't worry about increasing the intensity too much for this one. It's just the warm up. After that minute in the off the saddle position, we're gonna sit back down and do 1 minute in our climbing position of choice. So what that means is if you wanna perform a climbing position while seated with more of an overhand grip, if you wanna be in a hook grip, you can do that. If you wanna be more arrow position for your seated climb, whatever's most comfortable, do that last minute warm up in that position. So let's go ahead and start off the saddle climb. Let's add some gear, add some tension, just a little bit. And we're gonna focus on trying to maintain good positioning while at a 60 RPM or 60 cadence. So if you're tracking your cadence, if you have a cadence monitor, we're gonna be living at 60 right now. We may push it a little bit faster. I'll let you know when that will be. But we wanna get nice and comfortable at our 60 RPM, our 60 cadence, because we're gonna be pushing ourselves in terms of our resistance for this workout. All right, got about 20 more seconds. Let's go ahead and get ready for our seated climb. I'm gonna add a little bit more gear. And remember, take your time, try to find a position you're most comfortable climbing in for this seated climb. 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna be performing the seated climb in just a regular overhand grip. If you wanna do that, great. If you wanna switch it up, if you have pulse grips, you wanna keep track of your heart rate, or if you wanna do a hook grip, or if you wanna transition between the two, but whenever you start the climb, make sure you maintain that position. Don't wanna be switching around too much. If you have to, if it gets real uncomfortable, that's okay. Just try to be consistent so we can keep power into those pedals. All right, we got 30 seconds left, and then we're gonna go into our first climb, which is gonna be a seated climb. We're gonna add a little bit more tension. Really start to feel it heavier in those legs. After the seated climb, we're gonna go into an off the saddle climb, and then we're gonna progressively increase the resistance and the RPMs for the last 2 intervals. So here we go. Seated climb, 1 minute. Let's add some gear. Remember, we want to push it until we start to feel it real heavy in those legs. We're still holding the cadence at 60. So nice and smooth. Add in some gear. If you start off a little quick, that's okay. Remember, let's find that pace. We're gonna hold it at 60. You should feel heavy in those legs. If it takes you a little while to find it, that's okay. Just try to settle in, find a good, strong climbing pace. Don't want to go too fast with this one. I got 15 seconds. We're gonna maintain this position. Maintain this resistance. We're gonna switch position into an off the saddle climb. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1, here we go, up. Nice and smooth. Hold that pace. 1 minute, off the saddle climb. Make sure you're in that extended grip position. Hold that pace. Let's go. Strong climbing. All right, about halfway there. For this next interval, 1 minute, we're gonna still maintain off the saddle climb. We're gonna add a little bit more gear. So we're gonna reach down, give that resistance knob a slight twist. Make sure you feel that added tension. We're gonna hold that pace for another minute. All right, here we go. Add some gear. Same pace. Hold that 60. Don't let it drop. Deep breathing. Good upright position. Get that air in. So after this, we're not going to reduce the tension. We're going to sit back down. Seated climb. We're going to try to increase the RPMs for this last one. So make sure you're in a real comfortable, stable position, hand grip position of your choice. We're going to increase the pace a little bit, but keep the resistance the same. After this last minute, we're going to recover for a minute. Clear out the tension. Here we go, 10 seconds. Two, one. All right, stay seated. Pick up that cadence. Let's go. Don't slow down. We're trying to speed it up with this one. We got a minute of recovery after this. Keep going. Got 30 seconds left. Keep pushing, keep climbing, let's go. Don't let that cadence drop. On 60 plus, let's go. 10 seconds left. Four, three, two, one. Reduce that tension, clear it off. Recover, whew, great job. Round one done. Got 2 more rounds. We're getting comfortable with the routine. Remember, trying to increase resistance for those last 2 climbs. For the last climb in the seated position, I want to try to push that pace a little bit. So we're going back to 60 RPMs. Seated climb. Tension not as high as we just did. Make sure you're in a comfortable position. Make sure you grab a quick drink, towel off if you need to. We're getting started in 10 seconds. Here we go. Start adding that gear back up. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. 60 RPMs. Climb strong. If you adjust your grip position, that's okay. Make sure you're in a nice, comfortable, stable position where you focus on driving down through those pedals. Let's go. Keep it going. Strong pedal strokes. If you're going a little bit too fast, if you're holding your cadence up higher than 65, you need to add a little bit more gear. All right, coming up to our off the saddle climb in 10 seconds. Same thing, trying to hold 60 RPMs. 3, 2, 1, and here we go, up. 1 minute, smooth pace, keep breathing. Great job, keep going. Hold that pace at 60, about 30 seconds left. I'm gonna increase the resistance, add some gear, still holding at 60 RPMs. Come on, push through it. 15 seconds left. You guys are doing great. Keep it up. 5 seconds. And, all right, here we go. Add some gear. Hold that pace. 60 RPMs. You guys are more than halfway done with this workout. Come on. Should be locked in by now. Let's go. Stay on me. "30 seconds left. We're going into our max effort here. Remember, trying to go seated climb, boosting that cadence a little bit, on maximum effort. Whatever you got left for this last minute, and we're gonna recover again. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, seated. Okay, crank it up. Cadence high. Push it, keep breathing. +60 on that RPM meter, on that cadence meter. If you're following along without a meter, stay on me. Match my pace. Keep breathing. 30 seconds left. Got 1 minute recovery after this. Push it, push it. Let's go. Keep going. Three, 2, 1. All right, clear it out. Great job. 2 rounds done. Got 1 more to go. Catch your breath, get some water, towel off. We've got 2 down. 1 more round. You guys got this. Whew. Working today, burning those calories. Whew. Boosting that heart, giving that heart some love. All right, 30 seconds. Go back to the seated climb. Add your gear back up. Let's push it to the heaviest one yet today. Push yourself with these last rounds. Still holding that 60 RPMs. Trying to add a little bit more tension. Last rounds. Give it all you got. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Come on, smooth, strong pedal strokes. Less than 4 minutes of work. You got this. Keep pushing. Add some tension if you need to. If your legs are moving a little too fast, okay, add some tension. Don't slow down. Add some tension to bring you to 60 RPMs. Let's go. We're going off the saddle for 1 minute. Coming up in 15 seconds. Still holding that 60 RPMs. 10 seconds left. And let's go up, have the tension. Find that pace. You guys are doing great. All right, nearing halfway done. Keep that pace up, hold it at 60. Fight through the burn in those legs. Keep those hips back, chest up. Don't lean too far into those handlebars. Keep those hips back. Almost there. Ten seconds. Come on, push through to the end. Got about 2 more minutes of hard work left. 3, 2, 1. All right, add some gear. Let's push the RPMs for this one. Let's get it up over 60. Come on, you can do it. Push it, push it. It's the last off the saddle climb. Let's go, max effort. High gear, higher pace. $30 seconds left. All right, we're gonna burn it out in 15 seconds. Seated climb, last one of the day. Give it all you got. Pick up that pace. Don't reduce the tension. 2, 1. All right, let's go. Come on, you got this. Finish with me. Keep it up. 65 plus on that RPM meter. 65 plus on that cadence meter. Keep breathing. Taking it to the end right here. Come on, give it all you got. Leave it all on this workout. Come on. Woo! Don't slow down. $15 seconds left. Push it to the end. Let's go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reduce. Whew. Clear it out. Yeah. Catch your breath. Deep breaths. Get that oxygen in. Grab some water. Just gonna clear it out. Whew. Reduce that tension. Great job today. Working hard. Made the time for yourself. Make sure you come back. We got plenty more workouts for you. If you enjoyed this climbing workout, make sure you come back, try it again. Push yourself a little bit. Add some pace. You want to try to hold at 65 or 70 RPMs for these climbs. That's a great way to monitor your progress. Also, want to make sure you're monitoring the resistance you're adding in each interval. So if you can push yourself with the resistance each time, that's how you're going to know you're getting stronger in your workouts. Keep going. All right, should feel yourself being a little bit more comfortable. Heart rate's coming down. Nice, easy breathing. Go 30 more seconds. If your heart rate is still high, feel free, keep cruising for a little while longer. Extend your cool down. I know this one was tough, so if you need to take a little bit longer to let your heart rate recover before you dismount, it's totally fine. Go for it. Woo! All right, caught your breath. Great job. Keep up the hard work. Make sure you come back next time for more great workouts. See you next.